Hi everybody, welcome to the Galactic Seabass channel. My name is Sebastian. Today we're going to be taking a magical journey to lighting in a bottle. I thought the world was going to end a couple years ago. I'm sure a lot of you did too. So join me on this magical adventure. Let's get right to it. LIB 2022. We made it! LIB 2022! Security won't let me in. It's 8 in the morning. I've got some friends out here in the parking lot. We're having a little parking lot party. I'll see you on the inside. We're back, guys! Lighting in a bottle, and look who we found! It's Kayla! Woo! Kayla, it's been 3 years since we went to Envision together. Wow, a lot's happened in that time frame. How are you feeling about lighting in a bottle this year? I'm
personally feeling good. I feel there are changes in the festival. That's what I feel. I feel like it's different. It's getting different. And the times are different, so that makes sense, but it does not feel the same. Do you agree?
I agree. Things are a little different, but we're here, we're together, we're alive.
Some things are the same.
Kayla's got an amazing new life, and I do too, and we're just alive, and I hope the fact that you're watching this means you're alive too, and we all beat COVID. Congratulations, and let's have a great adventure this year. I'm stoked. Sorry to swear, Mom. I'm going to put this down and go have some fun. I don't know when I'll see you again, so have fun. Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at Lightning in a Bottle 2022. It is your host, Galactic Seabass, and the first friend I ever made out here, Andrew Coulter, 5 years ago. 5 long years, and quite a few things have happened in that time frame, haven't they, Andrew?
It's been a while. Would you like a scarf?
Oh, I would love my scarf. Thank you, brother. Of course. See? Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
That's the kind of things that happen out here because people are just happy to be out and about. You know, we almost died. Everybody thought they were just gonna lose everything, and here we are. We got it back. We're having fun, and I really just appreciate being here with my friends. I don't like the walk from camp. I think that it's way too long. Just personal prediction on that's it. I'm done. This is it. See you later.
Yeah, we stay Irie bun.
Time. It's Saturday. Hope you're having fun with us.
Back it up slowly.
Beautiful. What was your favorite subject in elementary school?
What?
What?
I only know shapes.
Okay, bye. All right, we're here live at Free Further, which is Andrew's girlfriend's stand along with Mariah, who runs I. And here, let's check it out.
You want some more? Make some noise for me one time!
So many cool goodies and gifts and amazing things. Help people look good, feel good about themselves. Isn't this neat? All handmade stuff, made by really cool people. Check them out, Free Feather and I. Hey, what's up everybody? So we are currently making the walk back to camp. Lightning stage. We have 5 miles to go down this road. I've been to a lot of events in my life, and I always bring a bicycle, and I thought this time, you know, you're not going to need it. There's no need for a bike. And now I find myself hitchhiking on the side of the road, trying to get up. I'll figure it out. It's, my feet are blistered and sore. I'm having fun though, and I've seen all my friends, and about to have ourselves a nice little evening here on LIB Day 2. Hope you're enjoying this video so far. Thanks for watching. LIB, roll, baby. This walk is super early. I'm going to manifest a ride right now. I've manifested a lot of things this weekend, and this ride is not one of them, I suppose. So if we're only at gate 4, it's been at least 3 miles. The festival just ended kind of back there, and there's still all this way to get down to the campgrounds. And I look at all these people that just, this is not a good setup as far as grounds go. So I'm just saying, it is what it is. Hi! High five? We're back, baby! Yes! All right, we made it back to camp. It's nap time right now. See you guys when it's party time. The nap was incredible. The sunset is on the horizon. We are ready for Saturday night here at 2022 LIB. Your host Galactic Seabass is about to go in. I'm feeling crispy, and I'm just feeling good. Maybe we can start a little howl and see if we can get this thing going from the campground. Nope, it's okay. We'll have some fun in there and I'll see you after a shower. All right, we did it. We've caught Monolink. I'll insert some clips right here. Woo! We made it, baby!
Here we are, among the land of a million hippies, inside a chronological time unknown to those who do not dwell amongst its...
Yeah, stupid.
Thank you.
So hot. Earlier I saw this mustache ring I wanted to buy for a special lady in my life named Hannah. Let's go see if it's still there.
Andrew, who?
Mission accomplished. Hi, Hannah. We're here in the back of Free Feather. I've got my cool ring, my cool friend, and we're going to wait for everybody to come back and just enjoy this night together as a family. A bunch of cool friends that have got to know each other. 5 years ago we met at Lightning in a Bottle here on not the very same grounds, but the same event coincided with everything that's gone in line over the last 5 years. And so it's time to party and maybe, you know, enjoy some festivities. I'll see you in a bit. We're back, baby! LIB 2022 Saturday, LA, aka Night 2. Don't just disregard those first two letters. We're coming up on Night 2. Here we are with Beacons over there in the background. We got Andrew right here. It's windy, than a mother. And so here we are. I don't know what to say. What are we doing? What's the night?
Chicken waffles run for the lady. You gotta go feed my girl.
See you in a bit. Andrew, you've got yourself some chicken and waffles. How are you feeling?
Ready to eat, baby.
You ready to give Emily some of these waffles? Yeah, I got it. I love this guy.
see the colors.
Look at this madness!
To clean up.
Caleb!
Are you guys ready?
Where are you?
Come on. Clean up.
Let's all put our things away.
Clean up. Clean up. Girls and boys, let's clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Let's all put our things
Nice to meet you, dude. Nice to meet you, dude. You're in a video now. Yay! That's life. That's life, baby. No arrows. No arrows. I would like a quill of arrows, please. I don't know where I am. This is very... This place is so odd. I love LIB. What is this? The sweat box. It's closed. Hello. All right, well, next one. Here we go. We got the VHS store. Holy what? This is cool.
Candy, give a donation, it's all good. Welcome to May not be French fries, but we do have grease. And we got Forrest Gump playing in the background. I don't know if you guys have checked the link yet. Yeah, his oh yeah.
What's your name? Dean. Dean? Oh, hi, I'm Brandy. Nice to meet you. Yes, hello. Kira's friend. Oh my god.
Oh, what? Sick.
Shrimping is tough. Only caught 5. Couple of boys, you can have yourself a cocktail.
Here, and then some fire, and brings them right through that door. You know what I mean? All right. That's what the damn fucking goes about. It's supposed to get you in that mood, you know? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is on you now. You guys ready to start the show? I just want to know. You guys ready to start the show? You guys ready to start the show? Get that hot going. Ladies and gentlemen, bringing my man to the stage, your host for the night at the Job Joint, Russell.
Hell yeah, it's been a long time. Feels good to be back.
Awesome, Russell. Wow. Now that felt good. It really did. We have the warmest eyes in the world right here. Wow, Paul. Let's open our hands up and get the warmth there. Wow, nice warm. Are we on? Yes. That's the hot breath. Wow. It's the warmth. You guys made me feel so good. Choice, you made a choice to flip it upside down.
Me a log in the middle
The
of the
weight
show.
is low, heavier than
I'm
you
leaning
did a
on
genius,
it.
you know.
Right here.
That was it. We did it all wrong.
It's a
I bet
weird
it was,
place.
you know, I
love
think
it.
it was built like that. It's the build you When I'm alone with my fantasies, I'll be you.
This is truly impressive, honestly. Up until that. Wow. Fantastic! Woo! That was wild. We never found Kayla.
Thank you guys for
Holy cow! This dude just played Zeppelin on a ukulele. That was nuts. All right, we're out of here. I'll see you in a bit. All right, everybody, that might be a wrap here on day 2 here at LIB with your host, Galactic Seabass. I'm sleepy, and it's been a long day. Tomorrow's the boat race. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to high-five this guy real quick. See you. Woo! keep the night rolling. We'll see you tomorrow.
Hello and good morning, everybody. First words out of my throat today. It is very dry. It is Sunday, aka day 3 here, lighting in a bottle, 2022. Last night was an incredible adventure. We saw Closey, we partied around, we never found Kayla, but you know, that's alright. People are out there and they get to live lives just like you do and I do, and everybody's out here doing their thing. So, it's day 3, it's the boat race. The boys need some oars. I need to go find some friends, shower, change, so I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, so check it out. The boat race is not going down because 3 o'clock was a long time ago. I'm 8 naps in on day 3. Yeah. Fortunately though, 5 years ago I happened to meet these 2 beautiful people. And the game changed. Everything changed, bro. So here we are, day 3. We're not going to be in the water for a bit, but we're having fun. How are you guys feeling?
I'm feeling good, dude. I finally got a f***ing day off.
This dude, he's been on site for 3 weeks, so heads up.
Finally got a day off.
It's 800 degrees out. There's -6 humidity. it's hard out here for a bit.
We are dry and unmoisturized, but we're hanging in. So yeah, thank God.
Oh, that was so close. Day 3, baby. Thanks for having it. It's weird.
Carried it back to camp.
I brought a boat too. It's not going to be used.
Right. That would have been actually that guy.
It's so hot. I am not going to be wearing this into the festival. Here is a quick outfit appreciation. And here we go. New outfit. And that's it, baby. Day 3. We're going in. I don't know what's on the agenda, but we got some friends. I am Galactic Seabass. Dude, what's up, guys? How you doing? Amazing. Oh, dude. Oh my God. This is so fucking amazing. I'm Sebastian. This is what it's all about. Woo! Stay hydrated, baby. Drink some water.
But we do so little that we barely feel
Shout out to the template peeps, good to see you. How's your LIB going so far?
Oh, it's been downright incredible. I don't know, I'm fucking tired.
Thank you so much. Good, I'll see you back at Ocean Beach. What a small world. Hungry, hungry hippies. Everywhere the eye can see. Andrew, 1 to 10, how hungry are you?
I haven't eaten today, I'm like a 8.
How long have you been on site?
7 days. Not too bad. It's okay.
It's like 300 degrees, so it sounds like a long time. Wow, it would appear as though the actual Banksy has hit LIB with an elaborate piece. Look at this incredible mastery of artistry. Incredible. What do you think of this incredible Banksy piece?
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Thank you. A wild Connor appears. Beautiful. All right, well, back to camp because we think we lost some stuff. A wild Spence Noble appears. How you doing, buddy? Let's go back to camp. I feel like I lost a ring. I need to make sure I found it. Okay. Very meticulous. How are you today, brother?
Good. There's a Grand Arctique talent show.
Yeah?
Down at 5:30.
5:30 at the Arctique?
Yeah.
I'll see you
there. And then I'll see you there.
How's your LIB so far, Spence?
It's going super good. First time here.
What?
Yeah, I brought the drum set. We're jamming. G20. Come out.
We'll see it. Thanks, brother.
Same, but different.
That's it. All right, time to give up the old booze. The rule here is technically no outside alcohol. Therefore, I only have one thing to say. Eat my butthole. Oh my Lord. What a beautiful day. Hey Brian, thanks for making me a model today. No worries. Are you enjoying your LIB?
Absolutely. Best year ever.
What's been your favorite part?
The people. Just like you.
Yeah, just like you, man. Have a great day.
Likewise.
Thank you so much. Kayla, we're famous.
I was already famous.
It's true.
I heard you clean out. I already packed
Oh, you're good, man. We're just gonna follow you now. How you doing today?
Amazing. LIB, baby.
That's it. Keep it up. Have fun. I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you call me? Hey. Party on, party people. Monolink, we love you. Festivals are sick.
Okay, don't miss it.
Well, it's sunset here on day 3. We're doing this thing. Building runs around. We're here having fun. Thanks for being here with us. Appreciate you. High-fiving somebody right now. It's going down. Hell yeah, that's lighting in the bottle. We'll see you in a bit for sunset. All right, made the sunset. We just got a little bit of Monolink. Drones flying everywhere. This is a party right here. On the beach, hanging out with all these people. What's up, brother? How you doing? Lighting in a bottle, day 3. That's a wrap. Coming up, sunset. Some robots in the air. Feeling swell. See you in a bit. All right, it's sunset. I haven't started a howl in 5 years. Here we go. LIB day 3. Focus or what? Whoa. Yo. It's a vibe. Connecticut. Yeah, buddy, CG. Sure we would ever get the opportunity to do this kind of a thing ever again. And yet here we are, fully embracing it in the year 2022. Feels good to be here. I'm not making any more of these videos, just a heads up, but I'm happy to make this one last video. All right! Woo! The night is upon us! It's your host, Galactic Seabass here. 6 years ago, I started making these videos where I would go to them and talk to people and look at the surroundings and just try to take it all in and give you that experience back. And now I find myself wanting to have that experience for myself. So I really just want to put this camera down and go be a person. It feels weird to talk to a camera, honestly. Thanks for tuning into all the adventures we've had over the years, and I think this might be it. Thanks for tuning into the Galactic Seabass channel. My name is Sebastian, and thanks for enjoying this ride with me. Peace.